First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 67 daily score booster questions, starting with the simplifications. Simplifications, first question is 17 square, which is 289 and 896 plus 12 square 144 minus 25% of percentage and double zeros cancel. 25 into 11 times will be 275. Now what we have is here 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 4 19, 19 minus 5 we get 14. This is 18, 22, 22 minus 7, or else if we subtract 2 from this one we get 9 minus 7 we get 2, 10, 15. Here subtracting 2 we get 1054. So answer is 1054. Option C is our answer. Next, second question, root over 4096. 4096 means it is 64 square plus this will be 4 into 7 80 78 into 2 times 4 2 times 8 8 8 times 64 and 8 7 times 56 56 plus 6 62 minus 296 comes this side with minus. Okay, here we have 8 minus 6 which will be 2. We have 8 and here 9 9 5 592 is our answer. Wait, 6 minus 2 which will be 392. So answer is 392. Option B is our answer. Next, third question, 33 plus 6.25% means 1 by 16 into 4096. 16 2 times 32. 89 means 5 times 80. 96 means 6 times. So sum of these two we get 289 equals to question mark means x plus 2 into 119 which will be 238 comes this side with minus. We have 1 5 51. So answer is 51. Option B is our answer. Next, fourth question, what we see here is 12.5% of 1440, which is 12.5% means 1/8 of 1440. 18 times will be 114, so 180 minus 17 1 times is 17, 17 5 times is 85 86. So the value for this one is minus 867. So what we have is 180 minus 867 plus 721. So here we have 1089 901 minus 867. Here we have 33 plus 1 34. Difference between these two is 34. Option E is our answer. Next, fifth one, 3 into 7 9 times 63. 63 means 56 8 times. This will be 3 8 times 24 9 3 times 27 29 294. Here 133%, 133.133% means 100% value 33 plus 1/3 value which is 11 minus 69. We have 8 minus 9 means 9. This will be 8 9 9 plus 3 12 minus 6 which will be 6. We have 269. So answer is 269. Option A is our answer. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. Quadratic equations, so first question, 85 means 17 5 times 85. Sum of these two we get 22 and the roots are minus and minus according to this one. Here 40 means 40 8 5 times. Subtracting these two we get 3. Minus and minus means plus and minus are the roots. Now by comparing these two it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Next, second question, 24 6 4 times is 24 and sum of these two. Here we have 24 and we need to get 2. 8 3 times 24. Subtracting these two, wait, we need to get 2. 6 4 times is 24. Subtracting these two we get 2. Minus and minus means both the roots are in first root is in positive and second root is in negative. Now by comparing these two, this 4 comes in between these two, so x is greater than y and x lesser than y is the answer for this one. So no relation between these two equations. Next, third one, 35, 7 5 times. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. 32, 8 4 times. Subtracting these two we get 4. Minus and minus means plus and minus are the roots. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that this 5 comes in between these two numbers. So x is greater than y and x lesser than y is the answer for this one. So sorry, I didn't see the video. Here this is third question. The roots are 7 and 5, and for y we got plus 8 and minus 4 are the roots. Now by comparing these two, we have x greater than y and x lesser than y. So there is no relation can be established between these two equations. Now question number 4. Question number 4 has 2 14 times 28. 28 means 7 4 times. We get a sum of these two, we get 11. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Next 4 21 times, which will be 40 84 84, and we need to get 8 means 84. 14 6 times. So 14 6 times all the roots. Plus and minus means minus and plus all the roots. To make the base equal, we need to multiply this with 2. 2 times 14, 4 2 times 8. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Okay. Next, fifth question. 2 into 36, 72. 72 to 72 means 9, 8 times is 72. Sum of these two, we get 17. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. 2, 14 times, 28. 28 and we need to get 3. 7, 4 times. Minus and minus means plus and minus are our signs of our roots. Bases are equal, so by comparing these two, x is greater than y is our answer. Now we are going to see wrong number series. So here are the questions of a wrong number series. Here we able to see multiplications. Here it is nearly 5 becomes 25, 27 means into 5 times. We get 5 6 times 30, 5 times 25, 28, 5 times 25, 27, 2780, near to this one. Next it is into 4 times. 13 4 times will be 520 and 20, which will be 540. 540 plus 16, and here we have minus 5. Okay, let's see this one. It is nearly into 3 times, which will be 120 plus 6, 126 plus 9. Okay, next one, it is into 2 times, 38, 38 plus 4, 38, 36, 18 2 times, 36, 36 plus 6, we get 42. Here it is into 1 times, 15 plus 3, plus 3 plus 6 plus 9, so it must be plus 12, and it must be plus 18, 12 and 15. So if it is plus 12, what we get is 552. So it is our wrong number, 552. 552 5 times, we get a unit digit 0. 0 minus 0 plus 5, we get a unit digit 5. So this is our wrong number. Let's see this one. Here we see differences. Here the difference between these two is 25. Here the difference is 30. Difference between these two numbers is 38. Okay, next the difference between these two is 7 3 37. Here the difference between these two is 45. So these are the 5 factors. This must be 35 and this must be 40. So in between these two, it is our wrong number. Next, third one. Here we see let's see this one. This is nearly 5 times. 5 2 times 10, 5 9 times 45 46, 15 19, 1940 plus 27. This is nearly 4 times, 12 and 4 times 36 37 plus 20. Here it is into 3, which will be 18 6 73 78 plus 15. Here it is into 2 times, which will be 16 16 plus 10, we get 26. So it must be into 1 plus 5. Okay, we got 8. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So the last one must be 25. But here we have 27. So this is our wrong number. Next, fourth question. Here the difference between these two is minus 7. Here the difference is 6, 26. Minus 26. The difference between these two is 17 plus 44, which will be 61. Here we have difference of 6 to 1. Here we see a difference of 5, 1, 2. These numbers are familiar to me as this is 6 cube minus 1. This is 5 cube plus 1. This is not any relation like this. This has 3 cube minus 1. It is 2 cube minus 1. So here we have plus and minus pattern. So it must be 3 cube plus 1, which must be 28, not 26. This must be 4 cube minus 1, which must be 63, not 61. So these two are wrong, means this is our wrong number. Next one. Here we see a difference of minus 90. Here the difference is 6, 5, 56. Here we see a difference of 30. Here we see a difference of 12. Here the difference is plus 2. I am familiar with these numbers as this is 9, 10 times. This is 7, 8 times. Successive numbers multiplication. This is 5, 6 times. This is 4, 5, 3, 4 times. So it must be 1, 2 times. 2, but differences, it must be difference. But we have plus. So the edge one is wrong number, means this is our wrong number. Next one. Next we are going to see missing number series. Missing number series, first question. Here what we see is the difference. The difference between these two is 33. Here 39. Here the difference is 45. So it must be the difference of 51, because there is a gap of 6. So here adding 6 we get 51. 121 plus 51, which will be 172. So answer will be option B. Next, second one. Here we see a difference of plus 11. Here plus 13. Here plus 17. This is plus 19. These are prime numbers. So the next prime number must be plus 23. 192 plus 23 will be 215. So answer will be 215. Option E. Next, third one. Here what we see is this is 3 becomes 24, means nearly 7 times. 7 4 times 28, 7 4 times 28, 30, 7 4 times 28, 28 plus 3, 31, 7 3 times 21, 24, 24, 108 minus 7. Here we see into 4 times, which will be 120 minus 4. It is into 3 times minus 3. So it must be into 5 times minus 5. So 116 into 5 times, which will be 11. 5 times will be 550 plus 6 5 times 30, 580. 580 minus 5, 575. So answer will be 575. Option C is our answer. Next, here what we see is the difference between these two is 2 and 7 minus 72. Here the difference between these two is plus 36. Here the difference between these two is minus 18. So it is clear that half of each number. So it must be plus 9. It must be minus 4.5. So plus 9 means 144. So answer is 144, option A. Next, fifth one. Here we see a difference of minus 17. Here we see a difference of plus 23. Here we see a difference of minus 25. These are odd numbers, so it must be minus 19. It must be minus 21. Okay, plus and minus 21. Okay, so 379 plus 19, which will be 398. So answer is 398. Option C is our answer. Now we are going to see reasoning section. Reasoning section, puzzle 1. Wait a second. Let's make like this. Okay, let's see this puzzle. Study the following information. 8 persons are taking seminars one after another. Only 3 persons taking the seminar between V and P. So 3 persons between V and P. So we have two possibilities. V and P. This is two possibilities we have. T takes the seminar 2 persons before P. So 2 persons before P means one person in between them. And in this case like this. Next one. S takes the seminar 3 persons after T. 1, 2, this is the place for S. 1, 2, this is the place for S. U takes the seminar immediately after S. U. Okay. Only 2 persons taking the seminar between R and U. So R and U, 2 persons means we can place R either here or else we can place R here. So we got two possibilities from this one. And in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can only place R here. Next one, Q was taking 2 persons before R, means this place. Here, in this case, the place for Q is here. Next one, W was taking the seminar after Q. W was taking seminar after Q, but not the last. But refers to W. W is not the last one. So, in this case, Q we left with W. This is the solution. So, we got our solution. In this case, after Q there is no place for W. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one must be the W, and it must not be the W at the last. So this is the only solution we got. Let's see the questions that are asked. How many persons take the seminar before V? 7 persons. So option D is the answer. Next, as many people taking seminar between Q and S as between U and S respectively. Q and R, 1 person. U and W, no persons. Okay, U and S. Okay, Q and U, 1, 2, 3, 4 persons. U and S, no. Q and S, means 1, 2, 3, 3 persons. U and T, also 3 persons. So answer will be option C. Next one, third one. Which of the following people was taking the seminar 5 persons after R? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one is V, option E. Next, 4 of the 5 are alike. Q and T. Q and T are immediate. R and P are immediate. P and S are immediate. W and V are also immediate. T and S are not immediate. So option E is the odd one out. Fifth one. How many people were taking the seminar between U and T? 1, 2, 3. 3 people. Option B is the answer. Next, we are going to see one more puzzle. 9 persons are living on a 9-floor building. 9-story building where the lowermost number is 1 and the floor immediately above is 2 and so on. Only one person lives on each floor. Okay. 9 floors. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Next. The question says that let's see. Statements are W lives on even numbered floor but below the floor number 5. Below the floor number 5, even number floor means W either fourth or second. Next one, only 3 people live between W and P. 1, 2, 3, this is P. 1, 2, 3, P. The number of persons living above P is one more. Above P is one more than the number of persons living below T. Okay, this is the concept. Here above P is 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. 0 below T means here 1. The place for T is here. In this case, 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1 which will be 2. 1, 2. This is place for T. Next one. Q lives on a adjacent floor of both U and R. So Q is adjacent to both U and R. Okay, next one. U lives on one of the floor below R. U lives one of the floor below R means R is above and U is below. Pattern we have is R, Q and U are immediate to each other. Okay, this case is possible only here R, Q and U in this case, and in this case R, Q and U. Next one, only one person lives between U and X. U and this is X, and in this case this is a place for X. S lives on one of the floor above V. S lives one of the floor above V. Okay, we got two possibilities. Last statement is but not on the adjacent floors of X. Here but refers to S. S not adjacent to floor X. S and X does not be adjacent. So this is adjacent. So this case fails. So this is the solution we have. Let's see the questions that are asked. Which of the following pair of persons are living on even numbered floors? P and R. P and R no. T and V. T and V no. X and U. X U no. W and T. W and T no. Q and V. Yes. Answer is option E. Both are living in even numbered floors. Next, seventh question. If all the persons are living in alphabetical order from top to bottom, so the alphabets are from P to X, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. Is there any common? No. Yes, it is common one. No, there is only one common word, common person. So how many persons remains unchanged in their positions is only one. Option E. Next one. Eighth question. As many floors between Q and S as between T and R. Q and T. Q and T there are 4. T and U. T and U there is 3 only. No. Q and T. Q and T we have 4. And T and W. T and W we have only 2. Q and W we have 1. T and Q there are 4. No. Q and X. Q here, X is here, 2 persons. T and W there is also 2 persons. So option D is our answer. Next, fourth question. How many persons are living between S and the one who lives 2 floors below Q? 2 floors below Q means this one and S. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people living in between them. Option B is the answer. Fifth question. 4 of the 5 are alike. Find the odd one out. Given is S are odd numbers, U also odd number, X is also odd number, W is an even number. So odd one is option E, W. Okay, now we are going to see inequalities. Let's see this. For inequalities, the concept we use here is the flow method. If we see a symbol like this, we say the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, we say the flow from this side to this side. Let's understand through the questions directly. The flow from C to A. From C, we can able to reach B, D and A. So it is possible. Here there is a small typing mistake. What we assume this as, let's eliminate this one. We have the flow from C to A. It is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from E to D. From E, we can able to reach to A and to D. It is possible. Third conclusion, the flow from B to A with everywhere equals to. From B, if we eliminate this, there is no direct relation. There is a flow, but there is missing of equal to. So it must be false. If we eliminate this part, or else if we eliminate this part, the flow from B to A is possible with everywhere equals to. It is the same. So then this conclusion will be true. So we have both false and true also if we eliminate these two. Like this, if we eliminate this one, the flow will be true and with everywhere equals to. If we eliminate this part, we have a flow, but there is missing of equal to. Then the conclusion will be false. Okay, let's see. Second question. The flow from C to X. From C, we can able to reach to X, it is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from Y to E with everywhere equals to. From Y we can reach to H and X but cannot able to reach to E. Second conclusion is false. Third one, the flow from F to H. From F we can able to reach to H. So third one is true. Third question, the flow from X to S. From X we can able to reach to S, it is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from N to Y with everywhere equals to. From N there is no flow. So this conclusion will be false. Third one, the flow from Y to G. From Y we can able to reach to M only but cannot able to reach to G. So third conclusion will be false. Here we see G and N are equal here, and we see another thing is Y, and here Y is lesser equal to and Y is greater here. So all the three symbols are in between these two equations. So the answer for this one is either 3, 2 or 3 is the answer. 2 or 3 is the answer for this third question. Next, fourth question. The flow from W to D with everywhere equals to. From W we can reach to S only but cannot able to flow with equal to everywhere. So the first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from C to D. From C it is equals to D, or else, sorry, in this format we have so many mistakes. Let's eliminate this one. If we see there is a C, from here we have the flow from C to D, it is possible. So second one is true. The flow from R to X. From R we can able to flow to up to C but cannot able to reach to X. So this conclusion will be false. Now we are going to see question number 5. The flow from F to T. From F we can able to reach B, N, G and T. So it is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from J to G. From J we can reach to H. From H we can reach to Y, T and G. It is possible. So second conclusion is also true. Third one, the flow from R to N with everywhere equals to. From R there is flow but there is missing of equal to. So third conclusion will be false. Next, we have completed inequalities. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms, first question, only a few. Monday is Tuesday. All Monday is Sunday. No Sunday is Saturday. Let's see conclusions. All Monday can be Saturday. All Monday can place inside Saturday. It is not possible. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, some Sunday is Tuesday. Some part of Sunday is sharing with Tuesday. As it is true. Second one is true. Okay, next. Second one, only a few Hindi or English. Only a few Hindi or English. Some English are computers. All computers are the science. Let's see conclusions. All English can be science. All English can place inside science as it is possible. Next one, no computer is Hindi. Some computer can be Hindi. Some case is possible. Some case possible means no case fails. Next, third question. Only a few January or March. No March is December. No December is October. Let's see conclusions. All March can be October. All March can be placed inside October as it is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, some January is not December. We see not. So all January can be December. All January can be December. It is not possible. All case fails means some not case will be true. Next, fourth question. Fourth question is here. Some Asia or Africa. All Africa or Antarctica. Only a few Antarctica is Europe. Let's see conclusions. Some Asia are not Europe, not here, so all Asia can be Europe, all Asia can be placed inside Europe. Yes, it is possible. All case possible means some not case will be false. Second conclusion, no Europe is Africa. We see some Europe can be Africa, some Europe can be Africa. It is possible. Some case possible means no case fails. Next, fifth question, all C are B, no B is D, only a few D are A. Conclusions, some A are not B means we see not, so all A can be B, all A can be B, no it is not possible. All case fails means some not case will be true. Second conclusion, we see not again, so we check all C can be D, all C can be placed inside D, it is not possible. All case fails means some not case will be true. Now we have completed syllogisms also. Now we are going to deal with coding and decoding. Here in this coding and decoding, we'll go with each words. Offer, is there any other offer? Here is offer. Discount, is there any common words in these two? Discount, no. Sale, no. Clothes, no. So the offer is only the one which has common word in these two. So we got offer, which is 26. Next one, discount, is there any other discount? Here we have discount. And sale also, discount and sale are common in these two lines, 24 and 22. 24 and 22 are the common codes for discount and sale. Next one, clothes, left with clothes, so clothes is 8. Okay, first line is completed. Daily, in first statement there is no daily, here there is also no daily, here also no daily. We already seen offer. If we see where, here is where, here is also where, we have 3 wheres here, so common of all the 3 is 10, so where is equals to 10. Outfit, we don't see any outfit, so daily and outfit are left, daily and outfit are left, and the codes are 4 and 12. 4 and 12 are the codes for daily outfit. Next one, clothes, we have already seen the clothes is 8. Sale, here we have sale which is 24, so here it is clear that sale is 24, so sale 24 means this is discount. Next one, offer, we see already offer which is 26, where we already seen 10. Next one, discount to sale, where is all seen. Now it times for coding and decoding. First we see offer. Offer is common here, here and here, so 3 offers, 26, 26 and 26, so offer is 26. Next one, discount, here and here, discount sale, discount sale. Here we see sale, sale and sale, so common for this, this and this will be 24. 24 is a sale, so sale and discount, discount and discount is given, common for this and this one is 22, so 22 is a discount. Next one, clothes, clothes left with 8, cloths, clothes 8. Okay, daily, we don't see any other daily. Offer, we have completed offer, where here and here, so common word for these two is not 26, we already write 26. Common word 10, 10 is refers to where, so where is 10. Next one, outfit, outfit, there is no other outfit, so daily outfit has the codes of 4 and 12. 4 and 12 are the codes for daily outfit. Next one, we see clothes already, we already have sale, offer also, where also. Next, discount, we already seen discount. Sale is also here, where is also here. Left with the range. Range is the value for 14. Now let's see the questions. Discount, the value for the discount is 22. Option C. Next one, which of the following word is coded as 10? Where? Option B. Next, if range is added to the phrase of offer, discount, sales, clothes, what will be the new code be? Okay, if range is added, range, where is range? Range is 14. So 14 and phrases of offer. Offer is 26. Discount 22. Sale 24. Clothes 8. Let's see the sequence. 14, 26, 14, 26, 22, 24 and 8. Option A is our answer. Okay, next one. If the code for outfit is 4, outfit is 4, then daily will be 12. So answer will be option C. Next one. Which of the following statement is true based on the given languages? Discount is coded as 8. No. Sale is coded as 10. No. Sale is coded as 8. No. Discount is coded as 22. Option D is the right answer. So that's it. Now we are going to see a miscellaneous questions of reasoning. Which of the following element is fourth to the left of 15th element from the right? 15th element from the right means 19th element from the left, 19th element from the right. So 3, 6, 9 is 9, 12, 15, 18. Dollar is the answer. Option C. Next one. How many such symbols? How many such symbols are there in the series? Each of which is immediately followed by a number and also immediately preceded by a consonant. Let's see. Symbol after one is number and before then is a consonant. Symbol after one is a number. Symbol after one is a number. No, symbol after one is a number and it is a consonant. 1. Okay, counted 1. Next symbol, next one is not number. So we have only 1. So answer will be option C, 1. Next one. If we remove all the letters from this series, then which of the following will be the 7th from the left hand? We need to eliminate the letters. 7th from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th one is 3. Option A. Next. 4th question. How many such consonants are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately followed by consonant and also immediately preceded by a symbol? So we need to see that if we see a symbol and the next two must be consonants. Symbol and the next two must be consonants. Here 1 symbol, no, only 1. So answer will be 1. Option E is the answer. Next, if all the numbers are dropped from the given series, then which of the following element will be at the 10th position from the left hand? 10th position from the left hand if we eliminate all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10th one is S. So answer will be S, option B. So that's all for today. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.